Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Riju from BSPT. Today my topic of presentation is vitamins. My ID is 2001023101. Vitamins. Content of vitamins are vitamins, functions of vitamins, classification of vitamins, functions of fat soluble vitamins, functions of water soluble vitamins, daily requirement, excess and lack of vitamins, and conclusion. The actual definition of vitamins are vitamins can make people's bodies work properly. We can get vitamins from the foods that we eat every day, and some foods have a lot of vitamins. Examples of vitamins are fruits and vegetables. Any of various fat soluble or water soluble organic substances essential in minute amount for normal growth and activity of the body. Any of various organic compounds that are needed in small amounts for normal growth and activity of the body. Most vitamins cannot be synthesized by the body but are found naturally in foods obtained from plants and animals. Now we discuss about the functions of vitamins. Vitamins is very important because they perform various functions in our body. Vitamins promote the normal growth by providing metabolism and ensuring protection against the viruses. For the proper growth of the children, vitamins are very important. Vitamins also helps in the hormones formation, blood cells and formation of chemicals in our body. Vitamins are also required for metabolism and they create metabolically active enzymes which are very essential for various functions of our body. Vitamins also assist in forming bones and tissues. Here we discuss about the classification of vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins. Actually, what are fat soluble vitamins? Fat soluble vitamins are stored in the body's fat tissue. The four fat soluble vitamins are vitamins A, vitamins D, vitamin E, and K. Water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins, vitamin C, and vitamin B complex. The body must use water soluble vitamins right away. Any leftover water soluble vitamins leave the body through the urine. Vitamin B12 is the only water soluble vitamin that can be stored in the liver for many years. Now we discuss about the fat soluble vitamin function. Vitamin A. It helps form and maintain healthy teeth, bones, soft tissue, mucous membranes, and skin. Vitamin D is also known as the sunshine vitamin since it is made by the body after being in the sun. 10 to 15 minutes of sunshine 3 times a week is enough to produce the body's requirement for vitamin D. People who do not live in sunny places may not make enough vitamin D. It is very difficult to get enough vitamin D from food sources alone. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, which you need for the normal development and maintenance of healthy teeth and bones. It also helps maintain proper blood levels of calcium and phosphorus. Vitamin E. It is an antioxidant, also known as tocopherol. It plays a role in the formation of red blood cells and helps the body use vitamin K. Vitamin K, it is not listed among the essential vitamins, but without it blood would not stick together, coagulate. Some studies suggest that it is important for promoting bone health. Here we discuss water-soluble vitamins function. Thiamine. Thiamine is actually known as vitamin B1. It helps the body cells change carbohydrates into energy. Getting plenty of carbohydrate is very important during pregnancy and breastfeeding. It is also essential for heart function and healthy nerve cells. Riboflavin. It is actually known as vitamin B2. It works with the other B vitamins. It is important for body growth and the production of red blood cells. Niacin. Niacin is also known as vitamin B3. It is a B vitamin that helps maintain healthy skin and nerves. It is also has cholesterol lowering effects. Vitamin B6. It is also called pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 helps from red blood cells and maintain brain function. Eating larger amount of protein may reduce vitamin B6 level in the body. Folate. Folate is also known as vitamin B9. It works with the vitamin B12 to help form red blood cells. It is needed for the production of DNA, which controls tissue growth and cell function. Any woman who is pregnant should be sure to get enough folate. Low level of folate are linked to birth defects such as spina bifida. Vitamin B12, like the other B vitamins, is important for metabolism. It also helps form red blood cells and maintain the central nervous system. Vitamin C is also called ascorbic acid, is an antioxidant that promotes healthy teeth and gums. It helps the body absorb iron and maintain healthy tissue. It also promotes wound healing. Now we discuss about daily requirements of vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin A. Men use only the quantity of vitamin A is 0.7 mg and women use only 0.6 mg. The sources of vitamin A are cheese, eggs, oily fish such as mackerel, milk, fortified low-fat spreads, and yogurt. Vitamin D. Men use the quantity of vitamin D are 0.025 mg and women use 0.025 mg. Here the quantity is same between men and women. The sources of vitamin D are oily fish such as salmon and sardines eggs, fortified fat spreads, fortified breakfast cereals, powdered milk. Vitamin E. Men used in daily the quantity of vitamin E is 4 mg and women use only 3 mg. The sources of vitamin E are nuts and seeds, wheat germ food in cereals and cereal products. Vitamin K. The quantity of vitamin K between men and women are same, that is 0.001 mg. The sources of vitamin K are green leafy vegetables such as broccoli and spinach, vegetable oils, cereals. Now we discuss about the daily requirements of water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin B1. B1 is actually known as thiamine. Men use the quantity of vitamin B1 thiamine is 1 mg and women use only 0.8 mg. The sources of vitamin B1 thiamine are pork, vegetables, milk, cheese, peas, fresh and dried fruit, eggs, and whole grain breads. B2. Riboflavin. Men used in daily the quantity of vitamin B2 is 1.3 mg and women use only 1.1 mg. The sources of vitamin B2 are milk, eggs, fortified breakfast, cereals, rice, and mushrooms. B3. B3 is also known as niacin. Men use only 70 mg and women use only 30 mg. The sources of vitamin B3 are meat, fish, wheat flour, maize flour, eggs, and milk. B6. Vitamin B6. In daily, men use the quantity of vitamin B6 is only 1.4 mg and women use only 1.2 mg. The sources of vitamin B6 are pork, chicken, turkey, cod, bread, whole cereals such as oatmeal, wheat, German rice eggs, vegetables, soya beans, peanuts, milk potatoes, some fortified breakfast cereals. Folic acid. The quantity of folic acid between men and women use almost same, that is 0.2 mg. The sources of folic acids are broccoli, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, pea, chickpeas, brown rice. B12. The quantity of B12 vitamins are also same between men and women. The sources of B12 are meat, salmon, goat milk, cheese, eggs, yeast extract, some fortified breakfast cereals. The quantity of vitamin B12 are 0.0015 mg, that are same in men and women. Vitamin C. The quantity of vitamin C are also same between men and women, that is 40 mg. The sources of vitamin C are peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, oranges, kiwi fruit. Now I discuss about the excess and lack of vitamin. Fat soluble vitamin. The left side is excess of vitamins and the right side is lack of vitamins. Now we discuss about the vitamin A. The excess of vitamin A are nausea, vomiting, headache, loss of appetite, and low-grade fever. And the absence of vitamin A are dry skin, dry hair, blindness at night time, and an increase in digestive infections. The effects of vitamin D are kidney damage, heart damage, nausea, vomiting, weight loss, muscle weakness, elevated levels of calcium in the blood, and the deficiency of vitamin D are softened bones in adults and bone deformities in children. The excess of vitamin E in human are dizziness or an upset stomach, fatigue and vomiting. And the insufficiency of vitamin E are premature deliveries, low birth weight, unhealthy fat absorption and nerve anomalies. The a lot of vitamin K are liver damage, and the shortage of vitamin K in human are severe bleeding and easy bruising. Now we discuss about water soluble vitamin. The excess of water soluble vitamins are vitamin B1. The excess of vitamin B1 are energy production, eye health benefits, and improved brain function. That is benefit for all of us. Vitamin B1. The lack of vitamin B1 in human are beriberi, muscle cramps, and experience appetite loss, heart failure, and water retention. The excess of vitamin B2 in human are migraine, headaches, antioxidants, anemia, and itching. And the lack of vitamin B2 in human are visual problems and oral and nasal sores. Vitamin B3. The excess of B3 in human are flushed skin and liver damage. And the shortage of vitamin B3 in human are contribute to damage to the skin and nervous system, diarrhea, and oral sores. The excess of vitamin B6 are inhuman, damage nerves in the arms, legs, hands, and feet, and numbness. And the lack of vitamin B6 are anemia, itchy, scaly, and patchy skin. The excess of vitamin B9 help pregnant women prevent premature birth and neural tube defects in their body. And the shortage of vitamin B9 are loss of appetite, nausea, anemia, diarrhea, weakness, weight loss, malnutrition, headache, mood swings, insomnia, breathing difficulty, heart palpitations, paranoia, and memory problems. The second last one is vitamin B12. The excess of vitamin B12 are that is helps in depression and production of red blood cells, and the deficiency of vitamin B12 are anemia and nerve damage in human. Vitamin C. The last one is vitamin C that helps kidney stones and diarrhea. The excess of vitamin C that is kidney stones and diarrhea, and the lack of vitamin C are scurvy in adults along with muscle weakness, easy bruising, and bleeding gums. Now we discuss about the conclusion of vitamins. Actually, organic compounds that regulate body function and promote growth. Each vitamin has a specific function. Well-balanced diet provides sufficient vitamins to fulfill body requirements. Nutritional deficiency and imbalances have a significant impact on the periodontal tissue. Fat-soluble vitamins are A, D, E, and K, and water-soluble vitamins are B complex C. That's all from us. Thank you so much.